Hey guys, it's Shania and Mia, and today we are going to be making slime. So
The things you will need
will be white glue or clear glue.
Food colouring, which
is
is
optional.
Glitter, which is optional, but we ran out.
Yeah.
And laundry detergent,
Liquid laundry detergent.
yeah, and you can also use borax
or
eye contact things.
contact solution.
Yeah.
But the one that we're using is cold power. And if you want to make it, then do it. Okay, so the first thing you need to do is add the glue. Okay. First thing you need is to add the glue.
We already wasted a little bit of glue.
Alright, so
No, mine's all watery.
mine's probably because of moisture.
No, yours is watery. Oh well, ours is a little bit watery.
Okay, so
Food colouring?
optional, you don't have to use it. We're just going to be,
I'm using green, she's using blue.
you can even
Even if you think...
So this is optional, you don't have to use food colouring. And once you have put as much food colouring as you want in it, or glitter or anything like that, then you just go stir it up with the glue. Oh, it's so pretty. Look at that colour.
Mine's going to be like a light...
This is the exact same colour as my other slime that I made. So I have made this before, but I forgot to record it. And I forgot to. Because I saw this on YouTube. Okay.
Oh my gosh, look at my colour.
It's okay. Okay, so once yours is all mixed with the glue,
I need way more glue.
once you have, oh, I don't need more glue anyway.
Okay. I have like hardly any.
Okay, so once you have stirred it all with the glue, your stuff and stuff. So once you've mixed all your glitter, you got to mix it all up with the glue, your food colouring and the glitter. Once you've done that, then you have to add the liquid detergent, laundry detergent, but we're just using cold power. If you live in Australia, then use cold power, but if you live in America,
use Tide.
yeah, Tide. So you can use any of them, but it has to be liquid. Make sure you check on the thing to make sure it's liquid.
There we go. There's a colour that I wanted. Oh, whoops. That was little.
That was a little bit. Okay.
But it wasn't recording. It was.
Oh, I like my colour.
So we need red. This blue.
Yep, this blue. Okay, so once you have mixed all your colour in,
That I haven't.
okay, so she hasn't done it yet, but mine is a very green.
Yours is like a
Greenish, yeah, colour. Okay. Okay, so once you have stirred it all in, then all you need to do is add the liquid laundry detergent. So you only want to put a little bit of this at a time, otherwise then your slime will be ruined like we did last time. Okay, so the first thing you need to do is pour in a little bit, well, just like a
Look at mine. Mine's just like a darkish green.
like this little thing here. Gotta add
And warning, do not get food colouring on your
clothes. So we just changed. Well, I did. Me didn't. Okay, so you want to add just like one of these, but if you need more, then add a little bit more, not another thing of them again. So as you can see, well, probably can't see now, but my slime is forming. And once you have got it to the right consistency, like stirred it and it's sticking to your spoon like this, then you would want to pick it up with your hands. But once it starts cleaning its own bowl, then you should be all right to go and you can play with it, and then there's the slime. But right now we just need to still, well, yeah.
Well, yours was very good.
Yeah.
I was adding my food colouring while you were like doing that.
Okay, so here's my slime.
It looks like it's not sticky, but actually feel it, because that's what mine did at home.
It is very sticky.
By the way, I'm having a sleepover again.
Yeah, so she's having a sleepover, and so yeah.
And also we her slime looks like, but just make sure it's not sticky.
The only thing, if it does feel watery, that is fine. But if the food colouring will come off, but once your parents have said something like take out the trash or anything like that,
If you have to,
you have to wash your hands before you do anything. Once
so
you
if you
slime.
touched it, so I touched it and my hands are green.
Yes,
Just wipe it. And
just peace. Okay.
So mine doesn't look that sticky, but like, see how it's like forming onto the sides, you know?
Yeah.
But then when I touch it, it's very sticky.
Yes.
So always just feel. Hers is.
Mine is very good.
I like yours.
Thank you. As you can see, my bowl is turning blue. My bowl is turning blue.
Whoa, it's like.
Okay, so Mia, you don't want to add too much of
No.
the thing. Okay, I think you've added, as much as you need. Okay, so guys, once you have finished your slime,
Start to knead it.
start to knead it with your hands. But after when you've touched your slime and
Oh my gosh.
stuff like that.
Still slimy, see?
Yeah. Okay, then add a little bit more. So see, guys, I have made this slime, but you just need to knead it to the right consistency, like this.
Mine was never. When you use contact solution, it's not very.
I've got contact solution in the pantry.
We should try.
So
contact.
as you can see, my slime has.
We should do like a video. Next video, maybe.
Next video, maybe.
We compare these two with the
Contact solution. So
Yeah.
instead of using liquid laundry detergent,
Yeah.
we're going to be trying contact solution.
I think we're gonna do that in next video.
Yep. After this video, probably. And once you have
My bowl is
started-
so clean.
It's so clean. Mine is not very clean. So once you have kneaded it and it's not as sticky, but it is still like on your hands, like the food coloring is all on your hands, like Mia's have done that. Okay, and once you have finished playing with your slime, put it in a container. Otherwise, then it's going to go hard if you just leave it anywhere. And when you do put it on a surface, make sure you cover it, because otherwise then the food coloring will appear onto your surface. And if you have put glitter in it, then make sure you don't put it, like play with it on the surface, but you can put it on the surface. But after when you've finished playing, you have to wipe down the surface that you've used it on, and because otherwise then it's just going to stick to there, and then
Look at Shania. Oh my gosh.
it looks so slimy, but it actually doesn't really stick to your hands. So as Mia's looks like it, her hands are turning green and mine are turning blue.
Do you reckon
As
I
you can
need
see.
more? Do you reckon I need more of that?
No, yours is all good. Okay, so once you just need to knead it and stuff
Look
like
how
that.
slimy my hands are.
And as you can see, guys, slime.
Shania.
Yeah.
Mine's like that. Is that okay? Do I have any food dye on me in my shirt or anything?
No, I can't see any. Okay, so guys, just that's what mine looked like when I started to knead it a little bit. It was sticking to my hands. All you just need to do when it is sticking to your hands, you just need to keep kneading it until it
You
doesn't.
can make bubbles.
And I think we might be able to make bubbles. So guys, before this video ends,
Make sure you like and subscribe.
like and subscribe, and so yeah, and make sure you check out some of my other videos, and yeah, and my little baby brother Kobe's over there,
Which you can't see.
which you probably can't see, and so yeah, Mommy, I made slime again,
Make slime.
and I made some slime, and that was just my mom over there.
Look, we can swirl.
Yeah, that's what I was. And look, it's like real slime. It actually drops.
Look, you ready?
And you can do the little thing
Oh my
here.
gosh, I almost just made
You can do this little trick.
If it's clicky, your slime is the best. And if it makes bubbles, your slime is the best.
Yes. Okay, so
Mine's quickly.
look at that, guys. That is so cool.
Oh my gosh, yours is so... But you know, when you do that, or whenever you do that, go like that.
Okay.
So I think that might be it for the video.
Yep.
Make sure you like and subscribe.
Like we've already said before, and make sure you check out my other videos and go subscribe to Mia.
I forgot my channel name. I think it's Mia Jackson 375.
I'll have to put it in the link below, but
Yeah.
hopefully you've enjoyed this video, and thanks for watching.
Bye.
Bye.